Hello! So, this is my go-to comfort food in winter or honestly, any day. Ito yung tinatawag dito na xiao, which is small, huguo, which is hot pot. Put them together, small, hot pot. So, yan yung pinaka-favorite kong mixture ng sauce. Peanuts, sesame, a big scoop of smooth peanut butter, a bit of garlic, a dash of vinegar, and a sprinkle of coriander. So balik tayo sa revolving belt. That's the buffet. Everything you could want. Mushrooms, veggies, beef, chicken, all in sticks. So that is the small pot for the soup. And my base of choice is always tomato soup with a little bit of spice. Mas prefer ko talagang kumain sa mga ganitong small hot pot place because you get to have your own pot and nabibilang mo yung kinakain mo. So aware ka sa price ng kakainin mo. Okay rin naman yung mga typical na hot pot place. And that is perfect for a group of people. Marami na rin klase ng hot pot dito. There's fish hot pot, there's beef hot pot. Beef hot pot is the most common ones. And people would love it really spicy, yung tinatawag nilang zhongla. That's the most spicy flavor. Ako, hindi ko kaya yon. Pwede lang ako sa weiweila, which is medium spicy, or minsan, idiyan-diyan lang, yung talagang konting-konting spicy lang. Ayun nga, ginawa kong kanin itong noodles kasi wala silang kanin dito. Ayan, so tinawag namin si ate para bilangin kung magkano yung nakain namin. It's around 20 to 30 RMB, pero ngayon, ang total ng nakain namin is 26 RMB, which is perfect for 2 people.